Let's learn how to calculate 20% of 100. We'll look at two different methods and use visual representations to understand this concept better. The first method involves converting the percentage to a decimal. To convert 20% to a decimal, we divide by 100. This gives us 0.2. Then we multiply this decimal by 100 to get our answer. Let's visualize this using a grid of 100 squares. Here we have a 10 by 10 grid representing our 100. 20% of these squares is 20 squares, which we can highlight. Notice that 20 squares is exactly 1/5 of our total 100 squares. This brings us to our second method. Since 20% is the same as 1/5, we can simply divide 100 by 5 to get 20. Let's see this on a number line. So we can see that both methods give us the same result. 20% of 100 is 20. Whether we convert to a decimal and multiply, or think about it as 1/5, we arrive at the same answer. To summarize, we can calculate 20% of 100 by either converting 20% to 0.2 and multiplying by 100, or recognizing that 20% is 1/5 and dividing 100 by 5. Both methods give us 20 as our answer.